In 500 feet, turn right onto Brownell Boulevard.
Yeah, no problem. Good morning, campers. It's going to be a minute to get out of here, I think.
Turn right onto Brownell Boulevard, then turn left onto 6th Street.
Bit of a traffic jam at the scale house today. So we're getting a really late start to the day. I woke up on time, and the second my 10-hour break was up, I started my pre-trip. We are parked in a scale, so you've got to make sure you can't, like, normally, maybe my 10-hour break's not quite up, I'll still take a look at my truck, and then log the pre-trip later. But in a scale house, you've got to make sure you do everything 100% by the book. So that meant hanging around until my 10-hour break was up, going on duty,
turn left onto 6th Street, then turn right onto the I-82 East ramp.
and once I was on duty, do my full pre-trip inspection, and upon doing my full pre-trip inspection, I discovered a problem. One of my tires apparently got into my hormone replacement meds last night and grew a boob. So, what it means, the interior sidewall of the tire was bulging out, ready to blow. So luckily, I caught that on the pre-trip, so we stayed here for a little longer. There's a Love's in Boardman, Oregon, who we've been to a couple of times. They're the ones who fixed my mud flap at the blowout a few weeks ago. And they sent their truck out here with a brand new tire for me. Took care of that business. And now we are free to go. Free to depart. Though I need to go fill up my fuel tanks at the pilot in Stanfield, apparently. So. Yay! Heavy. Forgot. Almost forgot.
Turn right onto the I-82 East ramp.
No.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-82 East.
No. I know where I'm going. Thank you very much. I didn't enter my fuel stop into my GPS, so it's a little bit annoyed with me for not going onto the freeway. Because my fuel stop is actually on the highway between Stanfield and Umatilla. So we might as well just take that highway.
Continue on 6th Street for a half mile.
Still wants me to do a U-turn. No, not gonna happen, GPS.
In a half mile, turn left onto the I-84 East, US 30 East, US 395 South ramp to Pendleton.
Alrighty. We've got our fuel, we've got our def, we've got our reefer filled up, we've got our new tire. Time to roll. We got 200 miles-ish, 180 to be realistic. 180 miles to the next Love's. You just passed me on the right. Did you do that? Yeah, you did. You jerk. Reckless. Couldn't wait. Couldn't wait. A critically important cargo. means the sunset approaches sooner and sooner. I really lost a lot of hours to sitting around this morning. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, it's only like 3 hours, but then there's probably another hour of stopping after it. Because I doubt I'll get out of here in under an hour. Especially if they replace the light for me. Alrighty, that is our problems taken care of for today, at least. We'll see if we get anything new tomorrow. We've been pretty lucky with this trailer so far. One new tire and a new light bulb on the same day. That's a bit much. That's a bit more maintenance than the average prawn trailer requires on an entire trip, let alone on the same day. But it's fine, it's fine. The planned stopping point for us tonight is now the Travelers Oasis Truck Plaza. Auto and Truck Plaza, I think. The Travelers Oasis. We've parked there before. It's got a nice big cornfield, which Maxwell always enjoys. And, yeah. Ah! That was slightly downhill and it caught me off guard. This was a surprisingly eventful day, considering we're only going to get like 405, 406 miles total. It's a bit annoying, but safety comes first. I guess Lexington, Nebraska, and western Montana aren't the only places that have been having some wildfire trouble. This entire median is scorched. There's like a mile of that. Ugh. It is not a good time of year. It's still super smoky haziness out here, even down here in Idaho. So, I mean, we're not really that far from the fire in Montana. But I do believe there are also quite a few fires up in British Columbia that are sending smoke this way as well. There we go, back to normal grassland. It doesn't look like it's been scorched. I keep talking about moving out here, but then sometimes I see that stuff and I'm like, you know what? Maybe I don't want to live out here. I'll take hurricanes over wildfires any day. We're making pretty good time today. Outside the stops for repair and pee, we haven't really done any breaks today. Like, my half-hour break was stopping to get the tire retorqued and the light fixed. That was like 45 minutes long. So that knocked out my 30 for the day. Not that I think we'll have done 8 hours worth of driving by the time I stop anyway. Well, maybe. We've still got another 100 miles to do. It's getting late, so I probably won't record anything else until we get to my my parking destination for tonight. I've got to do some math to make sure we can still make this delivery on time, since we got that delay this morning. Alright, so this is different. One lane, and I need to take the next exit. So, eyes peeled, everyone. We've got to make sure we hit the exit here. Oh, it's sending me to the other side of the road. Alright. Traffic, stay left, exit 182, merge right. Okay. Boy, I'd rather not be doing this for the first time in
Take exit 182 for Idaho 50 toward Eden, Kimberly.
Yeah, if I can find it. There's someone behind me, and I don't care how slow I'm going. I don't want to screw this up.
Take exit 182.
We're both leaving the freeway. I think a little extra caution is warranted. Right,
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Idaho 50 South.
Promising. Little narrow. Little narrow.
Turn right onto Idaho 50 South, then your destination will be on the right. Super wide there just to make sure we didn't clip any barrels or whatnot. Your destination is on the right.
Place is already kind of packed. We made it. I need to sleep. This is way too late. Way too late. On the bright side, we can start before 9 tomorrow. Oh, UPS is leaving. Bye, UPS. Are you a triple or a double? You're a triple. Nice. That's why I didn't want to get a pull-through over there, because that's... Idaho is one of the states that allows many different combinations of multiple trailers, so you want to leave the pull-through spots for them. UPS drivers have to take a 30-minute break too, you know, especially even the ones that drive in the middle of the night when all the rest areas are full and there's no good pull-throughs anywhere. So, anyway, my name's Ellie O'Dare, AzerAngel17 on Twitter, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by hitting like or subscribe, and you can also leave comments below the videos, because I do read them all. They get pushed to my phone, so that's a great way to get a hold of me. But, of course, Twitter's the best place to have a conversation. I prefer to do the talking there. I'm there all the time. Check it literally every time I stop, so if you want to come talk, that's a good spot to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.